back to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Welcome to our exciting journey into the fascinating world of plants. Today, we will explore an essential aspect of their life, reproduction. So, let's get started. What is reproduction? The process by which new offspring are produced from the parent organisms is called reproduction. The offspring produced are similar to the parents. Before we dive into the types of plant reproduction, let's understand why reproduction is vital for plants. Just like all living organisms, plants have a strong drive to survive and pass on their characteristics to the next generation. When plants reproduce, they create new individuals, which is essential for the continuation of their species. Let's move on to the types of reproduction. Asexual reproduction. The process by which new offspring are produced from the parent organisms is called reproduction. The offspring produced are similar to the parents. Methods of asexual reproduction. Runners. Some plants produce specialized stems called runners that grow horizontally on the ground. These stems can take root and produce new, genetically identical plants. Bulbs. Plants like onions and lilies use bulbs for asexual reproduction. These underground storage structures can give rise to new plants with the same genetic makeup. Cuttings. With cuttings, a portion of a plant, like a stem or leaf, is cut and placed in soil. It can develop into a new individual, identical to the parent plant. Rhizomes. Certain plants produce horizontal underground stems called rhizomes, from which new plants can sprout. Asexual reproduction results in offspring that are genetically identical to the parent plant. While this method offers efficiency and rapid reproduction, it lacks the benefits of genetic diversity seen in sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, two parent plants contribute genetic material to create a new individual. This process is quite fascinating. Sexual reproduction in plants involves the following steps. Pollination. Pollen grains are transferred from the male reproductive part, stamen, to the female reproductive part, pistil, of a flower. This can occur within the same flower or between different flowers of the same plant or even between flowers of different plants. Fertilization. When pollen reaches the pistil, it travels down to the ovary, where fertilization takes place. This leads to the formation of seeds containing the genetic material from both parent plants. Seed dispersal. The seeds are then dispersed through various means like wind, water, or animal interactions, finding suitable locations to grow into new plants. Germination. Under favorable conditions, the seeds germinate, and a new plant starts its life cycle. Both asexual and sexual reproduction play essential roles in different scenarios. I hope you enjoyed this adventure as much as I did. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and nurturing your curiosity. Happy botanizing! Goodbye.